Okay, I'm making this video just to show. This is the L109 Pro GPS, and on the first maiden flight, I got it on video. This motor right here is not working. It's just sitting here idling, and just to show that I know exactly what's going on with it, I also have an FJ11 Pro. I have a Mavic Pro Platinum, Spark, other drones here, toy grade, Bugs 2 SE. So this is my hobby, and this is definitely something I know what's going on. It's either ESC burn up or the motor. It was 8 minutes into the first flight of this drone that it did this. Banggood's a great company, great products. They got it to me quick, so I'm sure they'll take care of this situation for me. Alright, thanks.